If you are a carer and already above state pension age, you will most likely be in receipt of your state pension, but there might be other benefits that you may be able to claim. Many of these benefits are the same as those as you can claim before reaching state pension age. However, in some cases there are some slight changes to what you can receive. There are lots of resources for these different benefits, so head to the description below to find the links for more information. The first benefit I want to mention is the Blue Badge parking permit, which allows you to park in more convenient locations when you have a passenger with mobility issues. The second benefit is Carer's Allowance. This allowance is one that you can get before you reach state pension age. However, once you hit state pension age, the amount you can claim changes. While there is no upper age limit for claiming Carer's Allowance, you can't receive the full amount of both the Carer's Allowance and the state pension at the same time. This is because Carer's Allowance and state pensions are classed as overlapping benefits. However, it might still be worth applying for Carer's Allowance, as by doing this you will have what is known as an underlying entitlement, which may increase other benefits that you are eligible for. This might mean that you could get the care premiums in Job Seekers Allowance and income support, the extra amount for carers in pension credit, or the care element of universal credit. If your state pension is less than the Carer's Allowance, which is £67.60 per week for 2021-22 tax year, you can get the difference paid as Carer's Allowance. For example, if your state pension is £50 per week, you can get £17.60 per week extra in Carer's Allowance. If you're a carer in Scotland, you may also be able to claim Carer's Allowance supplement. This is paid as a lump sum twice a year to people in receipt of Carer's Allowance on the set qualifying dates. The third benefit you might be able to claim is pension credit. Pension credit is a means-tested benefit for people who have reached state pension age and who have income and capital below a certain amount. Currently, if you're part of a couple and you are both over state pension age, you can claim pension credit if your income is low enough. For those who are in couples where only one of you is over the state pension age, you cannot claim this benefit. You will have to claim universal credit instead. If you are eligible for pension credit, not only will you get an extra bit of cash, but it may help you get other benefits too. The fourth benefit you might be eligible for is Carer's Premium. This is an extra payment on top of certain other benefits. And when it is added to pension credit, it can be referred to as the Carer Edition. Care Premium is currently £37.70 a week, and in order to qualify for it, you must already receive one of the following: income support, universal credit, pension credit, housing benefit, council tax support, income-based job seekers allowance, and income-related employment and support allowance. You also need to be caring for someone who needs regular and substantial care. The fifth benefit you can claim is the Cinema Exhibitors Association card. This card entitles you to one free ticket when you take the person you're caring for to the cinema. You can apply for this card no matter what your age is, and it is accepted by all national cinema chains. You can apply for this online, and I have put a link in the description below. The sixth benefit you might be entitled to is council tax reduction. If you meet the following criteria, you will be treated as a disregarded person and will be eligible for a reduction in council tax. You provide care for at least 35 hours a week. You live in the same property as the person you care for. You're not the spouse or partner of the person you care for or their parent if you care for a child under 18. The person you care for receives one of a number of benefits, including the care component of Disability Living Allowance, the daily living component of Personal Independence Payment, or Attendance Allowance. See the description below for a full list, and please note that this set of criteria is slightly different in Scotland. The seventh benefit you may be able to claim is the housing benefit. Housing benefit is designed to help people on a low income with their rental payments. It is a means-tested benefit, meaning it depends on your income and capital. You can only make a new claim for this benefit if either of the following apply to you: you've reached state pension age, or you're in supported, sheltered, or temporary housing. The eighth and final benefit that you might qualify for is support for mortgage interest. This is a payment that is paid directly to your mortgage provider as a loan to help with your mortgage interest repayments. You will need to repay this loan with interest when you sell or transfer ownership of your home, unless you're moving the loan to a different property. Thanks for checking out my YouTube channel. I'm Justin King. My aim is to help people live successful lives, and that often involves understanding your money. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button to help more people like you find my channel, and check out the description below for all the useful links on things I've discussed in this video. You'll also find links to other videos in this series on finding and funding care in later life. For now, I'm Justin King, helping you live your best life.